TV as we bring to you how to really get jackfruit. Now, this is jackfruit in Uganda. Some of you might have not seen jackfruit, but this is jackfruit tree where you have the leaves. If you look at the leaves here, it's a little large. It takes many years. I don't know how long this one has lasted because we came here when this was already this big. But jackfruit normally takes like 3-4 years for it to grow, and then after maybe 5 years or so, you start getting the fruits. So this has lived here for I don't know how long, but these are some of the fruits. Now, I don't want to climb up. Not that I cannot climb, but I can. But I'm going to use this stick to get one ripe jackfruit, and I'll just use the stick, knock it with the stick to get down. So, like I've explained earlier, we have noticed one ready one. Where is it? This one? So, let's see, it's right here. It's very small, but it looks ready. If you touch it, you can feel it's kind of soft. So we are going to just scoop it like this and keep moving it so that it can fall down. Okay, you need to be careful also while you do it. Almost. 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 Oh, calm down. Need to do a quick try. Okay, maybe I'm not using a lot of force. Let me use a lot of force. It will take forever, but it will calm down. Let me try this black thing, brown edges here. The connection. How do you call it? Maybe the stock. Got something into my eye, but this is Africa, so we don't wear some safety glasses. Yeah, there you go. Woo-hoo! Jackfruit down. Alright, so you can see here now, we got this jackfruit down. Look how ripe it is. Actually, when it fell down, already broke. So you can see right here that it's broken. But this is jackfruit. So this is how we get it. You can cut it down and you will see how good they are. This is not the best one, but we can try and see after cutting it, and you will see how good it is. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.